how to change invite codes in WhatsApp. Now, first of all, open the WhatsApp on your phone and log into your account. So after that, go to the menu. So tap on three lines or profile icon on the top corner, and this opens the main menu. Now tap on invite or invite friends. Look for the options that shows your current invite codes. Tap on it to open the invite section. Now after that, check if you can change the code. So some accounts may not allow changing the invite codes once it sets. If there is an edit button or change option, tap on it. Now after that, enter the word or the new invite code. So type the new invite code carefully and double check for any spelling mistakes before submitting. After that, save or confirm the change. Now tap save or confirm to update your invite code. You should now see the new code on your account. Finally, if you don't see the option, if you cannot change it, on the app, go to the WhatsApp Help Center and you may need to contact support for help. Now, this is how to change invite code in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.